Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little mini project, and what I do is I open a TXT file and I check for a link in it, and then I click that link and that will take us to a website. So I've already put a TXT file which is on my desktop somewhere. So we've got three sites here. We've got adjan.com, we've got Bing, and we've got Google. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this and click one of these links. So let's go back here and let's start. Right, so I'm going to start with import OS, import web browser. These are modules. Now this import web browser, you might have to install it using pip. And of course we're going to import time here. Okay, we're going to create a function. No, we're not. We're going to change directories first, so we're going to say my path, because my file is on my desktop, so that's going to be c://users/mark/desktop. So that's my desktop there. It's the path to my desktop. It won't be the path to your desktop. So your desktop path will be different, and then we're going to do os.chdir, and that's going to be my path. So we're going to change to that path there, and then we're going to do time.sleep. So we're going to pause it for 1 second, make it look like the program is working, and then we're going to print out a message to the user telling the user that we've actually changed to that path. So that's going to be let's have a look. Path changed to. Okay, and we're going to use the format string here. Dot format. That's going to be my path. Okay, I'm just going to have to adjust my screen settings here a little bit. So let's go into the options. This is nothing to do with the program, by the way. This is to do with me. I'm going to have to take it down there so it's more comfortable for me. Okay, there we go. So let's just check that out and see if it works. So let's run it. Okay, so the path changed to, there we go, so that's working okay. Now we're going to create our first function here, and I'm going to call it search and click link. Search and click link. Okay, so I'm going to say a variable called open file, import, and then we tell our user what we want them to do. So enter file to open. Okay, and then we're going to do another import, so that's going to be click link. It's going to be equal to import. Okay, enter link to click. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to open this file. So we say with open, and we're going to call it open file, which refers to the open file here. So we've entered the full file name, so it could be something like, I think something like url.txt. There, let me just check this. Yeah, URL file.txt. So open file, and in the read mode here as file object. Right, so we're going to create another variable here called file content, which we're going to assign to file object dot read. Okay, now we're going to start on the conditional. So if click link is in the file content, we're going to do something. So this is where our web browser module comes in. So we say web browser dot open, click link. Whoops, that's wrong. That should be web browser, not. Okay, so we're going to open it. We're going to click the link, and then we're going to print a message to the user, and we're going to use f string. So we're going to format the string, and we're going to say something like opening link. That's going to be click link then we're going to close it like that. Okay, so if everything's gone alright, it should execute that. Whoops. Or else we're going to have a catch-all here. Else, is that in line, or else? I think that's better. Else print f string again, error, and then we're going to do click link does not exist. So if we type in the wrong one, it'll tell us it doesn't exist. Okay, let's just close that off now. And all we have to do is call the program and hope I've not made any typos. So this is going to be search, click, link. Okay, all we have to do now is just save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so enter a file to open, so that's going to be url.txt. Enter a link to click. I'm going to say https ajan.com. Okay, it's going to the website, and there it's opened the website. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Very important. And I will catch you guys again in another video. Bye-bye.